The mobile car detailing team carefully washes the car's exterior through a multi-step process. The car gets sprayed down with a matured water and clean-friendly soap, creating a rich foam. The team also blasts the wheels undercarriage in any areas that have heavier debris, softened with higher pressure water. The detailer uses a microfiber towel to gently clean the entire body of the car, including the roof and wheels. Finally, they rinse off the foam with a high-pressure spray, getting the car ready for wax depending on the package.